Hey, yo, what's up, everyone? I'm Mario here, and today I want to tell how was my experience doing my first hackathon ever in my life. So this past weekend, I did this hackathon. It was an online hackathon. I think there were around 100 teams participating, and me and my team were able to hit top two, hit the second place, and it was like a really nice achievement, mainly because it was our first time doing something together. Like, we are already big friends. We make part of a group called the base, so we are always talking or studying together something, but we never did some project together. So it was a really good experience doing it for the first time, and learning with the other teammates were really good. We did it our project with Next.js and Jungle on the back end. We were two full stack developers, one a back end developer and one front end developer. And we got 2 days to do the whole project. We got they would send to us, we would start the project at the evening of Friday, and we would need to send it, submit it on like 1 p.m. at Sunday. So we're basically 2 days. I think if you count the hours, would be something around 40 hours, whatever. And we decided to do something related with sustainability, and at least for us was a really good topic to do a project with, and we decided to do sustainability aligned with managing product. So our main goal was trying to give business a way to them manage their products, and do not throw them away at trash. They have give a possibility to them donate those products that they will send to trash, or even do some other thing. And first, I will show you how it was, how our project is, how we send it to them, and then we talk more about details, how we did things, how like everything happened on that day. The login page, I can come back here. Just we got this landing page. If you can read what is here, is because we put the text in Portuguese. I'm from Brazil, so basically that's the reason why you do not understand what is wrote here. But we basically got the register page, and then we got the login page. I would just put a random user here and then login. Okay, so here is our main screen, is the dashboard screen where the user will be able to, let me put here at the other screen, where the user will be able to see all the details of the projects, like how many sales he got, how many products he have on each category, let's say candies, meat, whatever, drinks. Then we got the product page where you can see every detail from your product. We will open a model and detail everything. Here we got how many days each product has to expire, to show to the customer when he will need to send it to trash or donate someone. And here we got the page where we got some details, what products are already expired, what products will expire. So it's more detail thing. And we got the page for the user be able to create, add a new product. So it is a really, let's say, basic project. So There's nothing like complex on it, but we tried to do every detail the best way we could. And the main advice that I can try to give you if we're going to like do a hackathon or whatever is pay attention on every detail. So we did the documentation for the front end, we did the documentation for the back end, we like did commit patterns on every commit. If I did a new feature, I needed to like make a PR, send someone review it, he would review and like approve it. So all those details, like we really paid a lot of attention on them. And like when we talked about that for the like the reviewer of the hackathon, he was really like surprised because none of the other groups would do that. So it was like a huge differential thing. And the other thing is we tried to like explain our idea really well. Because imagine you got this like really good idea, this product that really good, but you can't communicate it. Like you can explain to someone how it worked, how it will impact on the business, how it will impact people's life. So at least for us, it was really good that we were able to explain it very well. We were able to explain every part of the project, explain why we did some things, why we didn't did some things. Because like some of the data that you have seen there, like those graphs, like the pie chart and the bar chart, they are market data. And the reason for that is just like we didn't have enough time to do with the API data. But the products, like when you build a product, like when you add something, and the product that you see where you click it, it open a model with the detail. All those data were from the backend, from the API, because those were like easier to use it. And the other thing is you probably will be getting like a lot of trouble, a lot of problems when trying to build this. We actually like got a huge problem that, let's say for example, Sunday like morning, the project were not connected with the API, and connected with the API was a really important part of the project because all the projects needed to like have a front end and back end and then like have them connected. So at the Sunday morning, it was not connected because our backend developer like he and then the backend was working, but we were not able to work with it because we do not got the .env variables. If you're not into programming, those .env variables, let's say for example, is the password of the database or some variables that you need to start doing the project, and we like the backend was doing it with Django, and none of us got any experience with Django. Me and the other full stack developer, we only got experience with Node.js, so we didn't even know some things that we needed to do at the project, how to install some things, how to run the server at Django, and those things. But then, let's say at the Sunday morning, like something around 7 8 a.m. I think it was 8 a.m. Our backend developer woke up. He like went to the group chat, group voice. Then we started talking it. He explained it to me how to start the project and sent to me the .env variables that we needed. But then other problem happened. Some pages were not like completely done. They needed some adjustments, but those adjustments were like correlated with the data that were being like grabbed from the backend, and like all the others were not able to run the project. I was the only one able to run the project because everyone was getting an error, but like trying to solve this error was harder than me just do the job that they were supposed to do. Let's say for example, because we got like 1 hour 2 hours left only, and everyone were not able to run the project only I was able to run it, but like we needed a lot of things to be done. So we decided that okay, we will stop to try solve these errors, like because they were having error at the local machine. So I was not having the error. My friend was not having that error, only him. But my other friend was having other errors, so it was like a crazy thing. I was the only one not having any error with like the backend and the front end. And like I would just need to literally code what I was supposed to do. So we decided that we would do a pair programming where they would explain to me what they were doing, what they did, and like say to me, okay, you need to do this, this, this. Here you need to do this. Grab this function from this other page that I did before, and we would like program it together. It was really good experience. And other thing that I want to talk about it is like how great it was for me because I learned a lot of things and people learned a lot of things from me. Like we were learning with each other. Like I would say something that he didn't know about, then he would tell me something that I didn't know about. We would discuss it, we would decide which was the better way of doing this other thing. It was a really good experience. And like we got second place, but the first place was our like were our friends because like this server, like this group that said that I'm a member that's called the base got like 100 members, and like we decided that 3 groups would like participate of the hackathon, like, and but only 2 ended like really doing it, and those 2 was me and the top one. So when like the result come in and we found out that we were at second place, we didn't like got like sad because of that, because the first place were our teammates. So it was really like really good. Even that I didn't win, for me I win because who win was my teammates, the guys that I like work with, learn with, and like change experiences with. So it was like a really good experience, and I really hope to like do some like other hackathons and have this experience again because it was really good having all of those experiences. So if you like this video, please subscribe, hit the like button. It would help me a lot. Here in this channel I try to like tell my personal experience, tell what I learned, what people give, advices that people give to me, and I just want to try to help people lives. So please subscribe, hit the like button, and comment something down below. And I hope to see you on the next video.